For this course, you will be required to watch a video and present a lesson. There's 3 of these assignments, so let's go over where they are, how do you do them, and what's the best plan of action here. So if you scroll down to Unit 2, you'll see the first project. Let's click there and go take a look at it. Project number 1, you get a due date and several ways to submit. It's worth 30 points. So the first thing it says is choose a con video from the approved list and view it several times. So all you have to do is click on the link. And from this list, class has their own list. This happens to be the list for Algebra 1A. I realize that they're numbered, but it goes in no particular order. You're only choosing 3 because there's only 3 projects, 3 assignments that are asking you to do anything. So choose something that you have an interest in. So let's say I wanted to do Introduction to Slope. I'm just going to click the link. It takes me directly to the Khan Academy and directly to the actual video that I want you to watch. All you have to do is press play, watch the video several times until you kind of know what's in it, what the lesson is, and have an idea of what you want to present in your lesson. So let's go back to the assignment. We've watched the video and we think we're ready to submit, but not quite. This is your submit button. Let's finish reading the directions. So it says, now you're the math instructor. Choose one of these methods to present your lesson, and there are 3 methods. So the first way is to write a 2 to 3 paragraph essay. Make sure you use a word processor. I want to see equation editors. For instance, this is how I want to see your equations. I don't want to hear the word squared for squared. I actually want to see the squared term on there. Same thing for square root or any inequalities. Fractions should be written in this format, not using the slash key on your keyboard. So you need to learn how to do that first thing. Anyway, you can write 2 to 3 paragraphs explaining the lesson that you learned. Actually, you're writing the lesson, explaining the topic that you just learned. The second way is to use PowToon. And you're like, okay, but what is PowToon? So PowToon is a presentation program similar to a PowerPoint or any other program that is in Mac. So you go to free sign up. You create a slideshow video, not just slideshow, but video, with your voice teaching the lesson. So let's go look and see what that's all about. So we're just going to click right here on PowToon. That brings you directly to the PowToon website. You're going to go right here to sign up for free. And you're just going to enter your first name, last name, email address, make up a password. That's all there is. You're logged in and ready to go. So now you're saying, okay, yeah, but it seems hard. I have to figure it out. It's really not hard. It's actually kind of fun. Let's go look at just a little excerpt from a presentation that one of my students did. For my first example, I want to show you just a little excerpt of a student explaining fractional exponents. See if you like it. As you can see, it can be very cute, but the mathematics is there, and she's using an equation editor, so that you can see the math correctly. Okay, that's one. Let's go on to another one. Here, this student is talking about adding rational expressions, where he has to find the common denominator. That part he's already done. So let's look at another version of PowToon. Here we go, just an excerpt.
Ax minus 20. So for step 1, we need to add the numerators. So we need to add 9x cubed plus 15 plus 3x cubed plus 25 all over ax minus 20. So now we need to expand the terms of the numerator. So we get in parentheses 9x cubed plus 15 and in parentheses 3x cubed plus 25 all over 8x minus 20.
As you can see, he goes on to explain how to combine his like terms. So that's just another example. PowToons is pretty creative, and it's video format of your slide presentation. That's what I wanted to show you. Okay, let's go back to the assignment and look at the third method. We're back at the project assignment itself. We discussed the PowToon example, so now let's go look at the Screencast-O-Matic. Again, these are both free signups. So the first thing you want to do when you get to the assignment is sign up. Don't do anything else until you've signed up. So we're going to go to Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so this is the Screencast-O-Matic main page where the link is going to bring you. To see how I'm saying it says start recording and all this other stuff. Don't do any of this stuff. Go straight to sign up. Click on the sign up button and it will ask you for your email address, and then it will send you the account in your email. Once that's done, you're up and ready to go. Okay, clear? Do that first. Right, let's go look at what students are doing with the Screencast program. Here we go. Okay, so you can see this is done in a slideshow format. I believe he used Google Slides, but you can use any program that does slides. You can use anything on your computer screen. This whole presentation that I'm giving you right now has been done in Screencast. So this is what a student did. His topic was converting radical expressions into exponential expressions. I thought it was done rather well. Watch the fade in and fade out. It worked pretty well. Here we go.
Radical expressions e through power 5. We can convert between radical and exponential notations by using the following fact. X to the power of m divided by n is equal to the nth root of x to the power of m. Back to our problem, we see that we have the second or radical form, and we must convert it to the first or exponential form. We see here that instead of x, we have u, and instead of the nth root, we have the 8th root. Lastly, instead of the power of m, we have the power of 5.
And just like magic. So those are several different ways you can present your material. You get to choose. All right, so let me go back to the assignment one more time. So here's the project. You'll have your due date, the points. Here's your list of topics. View the video. Choose which way you want to present the lesson. Practice with the tools in whichever way you've decided to present until you'll feel confident. Then create a lesson that teaches the process of the topic found in the Khan Academy video that you chose. So you watched the video, so you know what the topic is, and you're just presenting the lesson in your own words. Okay, so here's some of the information that you need to know to get full points. Excuse me. Read all of these. I have some good hints, and then this is how you're going to be graded. So make sure you read this. And then when you're ready, when you've created your assignment, you're going to click on Submit Assignment, and you're going to post it whichever way you want to post. After you post your first lesson, be mindful of the fact that some person, an actual person, me or one of the other teachers, does have to watch, view, and grade your essay or your presentation. So it is not an automated response. It'll take a little while to get your grade. Sorry for taking so long. Get in there and have fun.